Okay, so we are off the water taxi, if you want to call it. We're waiting to get our small boat to take us snorkeling and on some of the adventures. So I guess this is their main entrance area because they had us meet by the Eagles. And behind us we have a pirate ship. See right there? And then behind that is one of those Norwegian cruise liners. That is tremendous.
We used some of the water for a second.
Maddie, where are you?
I'm in the ocean.
In Mexico.
Yeah. And we're going like
That way. You gotta go in the news. So we're on the boat ride back, and it's not exactly mild weather we're going through. So the girls are sitting there a little bit wet. Having an exciting time. Madison looks really excited. Mom is ready to get out of the water. Grandpa is just sitting there. But it started raining on us on our last stop. And we're moving along. Hopefully we'll be back pretty quick. There's one of the big ships. So this is the port to Cozumel, which we're heading out from. They're still decorated for Christmas, and I love it. I guess here, instead of ho ho ho, it's Jo Jo Jo. Hey, so it is Thursday. We are going on a catamaran. Got the family booked for a day on the catamaran, going to a private island where we're gonna go hang out, do some more snorkeling, some adventuring. They got a little market area, have some local cuisine, stuff like that. So we're just waiting. And there they are, just waiting to take off. So we've got our tour booked, and we've got one of the boats out there. That's ours. So I will keep you updated how things are going.
Una población de 25,000 habitantes. About 25,000 people live on this amazing island. Es una isla bonita, a beautiful and amazing island. Y ustedes la pueden conocer el día de hoy. You can discover the island into the golf carts tour. Nuestro amigo Miguel, our friend Mikey, entonces se va a parar aquí enfrente, que es una stand up right here where I am right now. Y les va a enseñar el mapa de Isla Las Mujeres. Primera parada, the first stop, donde dice pueblo, playa norte o compras, downtown, North Beach or shopping. This is going to be the first stop of the island.
we made it to Islas Morenas, and we're gonna explore the island a little bit. There's someone with a snake taking pictures.
He's taking a photo. You and him.
I was doing a video. Hey, so we are at Islas Morenas, and we just had lunch, and we're in our go-kart, and we're gonna go take a little tour of the area. Jess and I are in the front seat, and then we got Grandpa behind me with the girls, and let's go see if we can do some donuts. One of the overlooks here, and I will say it's very pretty, but stinky.
5 minutes, 5 minutes. Tomando las fotos. We have a picture,
very
guys,
stinky.
please.
So this is the woman that was found on the island, was here for fertility, and so that she sits here now for the same reason. So this is the back side of the island up there. Islas Mujeres. Some really nice houses up there we passed by. This is the point they call it. Very cool spot. Let's continue on our tour. Alright, our go-kart ride is done. We're hanging out back at the beach waiting for the boat to come in, our catamaran, and then we're heading back ashore. Tomorrow is our last day we're leaving, so maybe it'll be a little bit more. If you're still watching, thank you very much. I enjoy having you guys. Let me know what else you want me to see you do when you watch our videos. This one happens to, be one of a vacation. I have another trip coming up shortly, and then we're back at it. I think we've got a couple of ponds already booked, some landscape work, Pond and Waterfalls booked, so it's going to be a great spring. Alright, I spun around here just so I could talk to you, but the reality is you're not going to really see the sunset too well, but sun setting on day number 6 for us. Hope you're enjoying yourself. We will see you shortly back in USA, and have a great one. So the scuba guy is out doing his normal routine. He walks a good majority of the pool with his setup and cleans it. He cleans all the lounge chairs and everything. So they're getting all prepped for the day. They've got new colored hammocks out there. The Christmas decorations are down, and they're on to probably nothing for them for a while until Valentine's Day. Hey, so we have made it back to New York. We are waiting in the airport. Got stuck on the runway and waiting for a gate and all those fun things. Been waiting now
Over an hour.
over an hour or so. Yeah. So I'll probably give you one last after we land and you can see the snow. So we're waiting for our bags to come off the carousel, and yeah, why not have another issue? It's now been probably 30-40 minutes since we went through customs and we're still waiting. So yay! Hey, so it is almost 11:30. Yeah, 2 hours waiting here for luggage to come out. We landed a little before 9, so this is moving along very, very well.